Mystified by saring manok, fire and water harmony. Like the lotus that grows in murky water, reminder of beauty that comes from the rise to a pure and clean, perfect blossom that the new beginning brings. Experience exceptional serving, special flavors. Let's meet here at Jobs Farm. Friends, fun, family. Jump to the beat.
Hello guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Jobs.
Yes, located at Talavera, Nueva Ecija.
Tara, samahan nyo kami, explore natin ng Jobs.
Come on!
Let's go!
Let's go!
Actually guys, this is the entrance gate of the Jobs. So pagpasok ninyo dito, automatically, they will ask for the 350 pesos entrance and 250 pesos of consumable. And what's good here, they also have for the PWDs, meron silang wheelchair na ino-offer, na available. And pagpasok natin dito, sasalubungin daw tayo ng Hadi. So let's see. So this is the main entrance of the Jobs. So yan.
Sakay kami, tapos babalik kami sa cafe.
Okay. So the Caddy here is free. Ayan, once na nakapag-entrance na kayo dito. So guys, etong bahay na to, this is the CEO house. So yan.
Okay, let's go. We're going to the restaurant.
Actually, ang first drop nila dito is the restaurant. And then, if you wanna go somewhere else, pwede naman na after. So, usually, pagpasok ninyo dito, ang first drop talaga would be the restaurant.
Which is at the end. So, we're going towards there.
Look at guys, the ambience of the cafe. Ang ganda under the tree. So, yan. Si Sir Leomar, siya yung driver natin.
Kanina si Sir Vincent. Yeah. I think the place will be better and nicer during night. It's nice anyway during day, but I think nighttime is the best because we can see some lights and the music band inside the restaurant.
Ayan guys, meron daw tayong music band na nag-start. Anong oras sir nag-start yung banda? 6 p.m. And the dancing fountain will be at 9:15.
Okay, so we're
9:15.
gonna see that later, which is on that side.
For me guys, no, yung 350 natin dito, sulit na siya.
Yeah,
Kasi they have very warmest greeting once you enter here.
and accommodating staff as well.
Yeah, very accommodating sila.
And unlimited caddy ride, which I like. Hindi ka mapapagod maglakad kasi unlimited caddy ride daw sila. So, this is our second caddy ride now, which is I like. So, we're approaching the Golden Lotus by Jobs restaurant na. So, si Sir,
Drop tayo ni sir dito.
are we going to
Okay, this is the entrance gate of the restaurant. Pasok tayo. Thank you sir. Okay. So this is the restaurant side. So yeah.
So I think this is social naman yung restaurant nila.
Ayan. This is the restroom. And nasan yung mail? The other side. Okay, enjoy!
You're welcome. Ay wow, aircon.
Aircon? Wow. Let's see. Sa panglalaki. So guys, this is the male restroom. Pasok tayo. So they have this one. Ayan. Yan yung restroom nila. Oops. Air-conditioned restroom. This is the toilet for male. Yan. Ang linis guys, ang linis. So, they also have priority here for the disabled patient, visitor, pregnant women, elderly. Yan. Meron sila mga priority. And all their toilet are sensors. Yan. Yung mga urinals nila yan, sensors sila. So that's it. So this is the side of the restaurant. Ayan. May mga koi fish din sila. Ayan.
They're migrating here now. Earlier on, they just staying there. But now it's getting cold.
Dami.
So they coming here.
Ayan sila oh.
I think the fountain will come later.
Guys, you can also make tambay here. They have many gazebos. So ayan. I think this one is good for how many? 10 person, I think. So, ayan. Maaliwalas, malamig ngayong oras na to, already 5:45, no? So, maaliwalas kasi lahat ng mga grass nila dito, totoo. Yung mga ibang pinapupuntahan kasi natin na pasyalan, di ba?
They're fake.
Oo.
But this is like, it's real.
Real one.
It's not like the carpet grass, but it's amazing. kasi
So, this is the entrance.
of the restaurant.
Nice. So, tara, pasok tayo sa restaurant nila. Actually, dito sa Jobs, meron silang The Golden Lotus Events Place.
And restaurant and bar.
Oo, makikita rin natin dito may mga iba't ibang gazebo sila.
Meron silang plenty of gazebos outside. So if you don't like to stay inside, you can stay outside with their plenty numbers of gazebos.
So ngayon, papasok tayo sa Golden Lotus
Events
Place
restaurant
nila.
and bar.
Yeah. Tara,
Come on, tara.
samahan nyo kami. So guys, this is the entrance of their restaurant. So, pagpasok natin, ang daming koi. So here is the entrance of their restaurant. Good afternoon. Ang bango. Amoy.
Bango ni Papa P.
May 16 po.
Yeah. How much is the
Ticket para mas maamoy nyo ng personal.
mezzanine.
Mezzanine po natin sa taas.
Wow. Nice.
Yes.
Ang mezzanine.
So this is their restaurant. Look at the architecture of this restaurant. Maganda, maayos, malinis, at syempre mabango.
And 2,000 sa taas. Marami pa kayo.
Yes, ma'am. Meron po naman po ang ticket po. Sakali mag-a-avail.
16 is 26. Anong araw?
Tarlac.
From Gimba ako. Si Doc ang Tarlac.
So guys, nandito na tayo sa loob ng restaurant. So actually, itong loob ng restaurant para siyang small theater. So kung makita nyo doon sa likuran natin, may mga nagre-rehearse for the band. Kasi ang banda daw nila dito, mag-start siya ng 6 p.m. So everybody can go here inside and you can have your dinner or merienda inside naman while watching the band. So, okay, ikutin natin tong loob ng restaurant nila. Let us see what we can see here.
Nandito kami ngayon sa loob ng restaurant and looking for the menu for later on dinner. It feels good here kasi ang lamig ng aircon nila. Kahit ang init-init sa labas, you feel the cold, which is very relaxing. So, tayo ng mga menus.
They also have bars here.
Run with the trail of dazzling luminosity. Let's make memory. Jump to the beat of mesmerizing melody. The picturesque place in a town. Run with the trail of dazzling luminosity. Mystified by setting manok far in water.
Samahan niyo kami, ikutin natin yung jobs.
And make this fun much more fun. Let's meet here in town. Run with the trail of dazzling luminosity. Let's make memory. Jump to the beat of mesmerizing melody. The picturesque place in a town. Run with the trail.
This is where the dancing fountain's gonna happen later, mga 9:30 PM nag-open. That is every day dito sa Jobs. Medyo late siya pero later tignan natin, malalaman natin, mapapanood natin yung dancing fountain nila. Kasi isa daw to sa mga pinagmamalaki ng Jobs dito sa Talavera, Nueva Ecija. Etong part na to, ito yung isa sa mga pipicturean ng mga visitors nila dito. Ayan. Mag-iilaw to mamaya. Pakita natin sa inyo mamaya kasi mag-stay kami dito ni N until 9:15 kasi 9:15 yung opening ng fountain nila. So ayan. So guys, this is just located here at Talavera, Nueva Ecija. If you're coming from Manila, this is around 3 to 4 hours ride, no?
Yeah.
Sa Manila.
Sa Manila. And then, this is hindi nakakaguto.
Yeah, tignan nyo dito guys, mga palm tree to. Kasi inspired, Dubai inspired daw tong ay palm o dates? Dates. So, ayan. So, surrounded tayo ng mga dates. Sunset guys. Time check. The time now is 5:49 PM. Ayan. Etong mga parang palm tree nila dito bagong tanim daw according to sir. So
They have braces pa, so I think it will help for them to stand straight. Well,
So tapos na tayo sa restaurant. Babalik tayo dun mamaya. Now we're going to
Jobs Cafe.
Jobs Cafe.
Tingnan
Let's
natin
go.
kung may
Samahan
kape
nyo kami.
silang masarap.
So natatanaw muna dito yung Jobs Cafe. So guys, this is their Jobs Cafe. They also have cafe inside. Yan. Kasama na dun sa consumable yung 250 pesos. 350 is the entrance and then consumable natin is 250. You can use that doon sa restaurant kanina and also here sa Jobs Cafe.
So punta natin
You can actually enter doon sa part na doon and pwede rin dito pag galing ka sa restaurant. Yan. Beside the fountain area. Grabe, ang sarap ng hangin, guys.
Refreshing.
Yeah, it's very refreshing.
Kasi meron silang mga may water, tapos may mga bamboo.
Look at the view, look at the view, look at the restaurant. Ang cozy, ang cozy. Ang cozy niya. So, yan, you can find a lot of kois all over the cafe. So they have al fresco. We don't know where to go. Here's the entrance. Hello, good evening. So this is the cafe area. Yes, please.
Meron po tayong pergola in cafe po.
Okay, this is their coffee area. I love it. Kaamoy siya na Okada. Okay.
Actually, they have the same menu in the restaurant. So, we've seen this earlier on. So, we might pick something here to drink indeed.
So this is their pastries. Look at again the architecture of this coffee shop. It's so nice. Yeah. Ganda ng color combination ng mga seats, mga couch. Here we go.
Aside from overwhelming place na 5 point something hectares, what I like is when you go to their cafe or restaurant, it's cold, it's nice, the feeling is, and
It
smells good. It's like
Okada.
yeah, well, I cannot tell yung perfume, but I it's like western white, parang si white company na mga linen scent. It's like I'm in the luxury shop.
Okay.
But their cakes are looks nice, so we're gonna try the calamansi cheesecake and the blueberry cheesecake. And we ordered the almond mocha coffee. Hot, yeah.
So guys, right now we are inside the Jobs Cafe. Actually, paggabi na. That time now is anong oras na ba? 6:15 PM. So, naka-open na yung mga lights nila outside. So, makikita natin mamaya yung beauty ng night dito sa Jobs. So, right now, tambay muna tayo dito sa cafe. And kung hindi tayo mabubusog, we will have our dinner doon sa kabila.
There you go. Blackberry cheesecake.
Look at that. Yung calamansi namin, Sir Ari.
And then sa kalamansi.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys.
That's the blueberry cheesecake. Ganda. Jobs Cafe.
Let's taste this later.
And we're waiting for the calamansi cheesecake. And obviously, it's color green.
So yun guys, this is calamansi. What do you call this one? Calamansi cheesecake. And let's see and taste later on. So we ordered 2.
Let's try. Oops. Ito naman na ngayon yung ating, ito-try natin yung una, yung ating blueberry. Oh, it's what do you call that? Calamansi cheesecake.
Your calamansi cheesecake. Ito, medyo inaitriga ako dito kasi I think this one is my first time to taste.
Oh, yeah.
The
I thought it's
calamansi.
pistachio, but it's calamansi.
It's calamansi. Ganda oh. So, what can you say about it?
Look nice.
Hindi din sila sweet, no?
It's really sweet. You know the texture of nougat. It's like nougat tea. It's like nougat. Yung makunat siya. Makunat.
Here's our order, guys. We ordered almond white mocha. Kasi ito daw yung bestseller nila. So, let us see. Sarap. Sarap. For the coffee, it's 9 over 10. 9 over 10. Masarap. Actually guys, meron din sila mga coffee beans dito na pwede nating bilhin. So, ito sila, mga coffee bean. Ito yung signature blend coffee nila. Meron din silang decaf, Arabica coffee. Okay, this is the Jobs Cafe. At night. So guys, ito yung nice view ng coffee shop.
Perfect love song that a new beginning brings. Experience exceptional serving, special flavors. Let's meet here at Jobs Farm. Friends, fun, family, jump to the beat of mesmerizing melody. The picturesque place in town, done with the trail of dazzling luminosity. Let's make memory. Jump to the beat of mesmerizing.
So, tignan natin yung mga gazebo nila. Pero I think the gazebos are close. Ayan. Close. Pero this side, okay naman. So, gazebo and al fresco. Tayo ngayon sa lounge area before the...
As you can hear, the music is playing for the live band
Nandito
tonight.
tayo ngayon sa ano?
Lounge area ng restaurant. As you can hear, singing the live band inside. So we're gonna get in later. Guys, this is the live band here at Jobs. It happens every night.
Mystified by sighing manure, fire and water harmony. Like the lotus that grows in murky water, ladder of beauty that goes from the vice to a pure and clean, perfect love song that a new beginning brings. Experience exceptional serving, special flavors. Let's meet here at Jobs Farm. Friends, fun, family, jump to the beat of mesmerizing melody. The picturesque place in
Time check tayo guys, it's 19:54. So ilang oras na lang makikita na natin yung fountain nila. So for now, ikot tayo ulit.
Mystified by sighing on your far and water harmony. Like the lotus that grows in murky water, mother of beauty that comes from the rise to a pure and clean, perfect blossom that the new beginning brings. Experience exceptional serving special flavors. Let's meet here at Jobs Park. Friends, fun, family, jump to the beat of mesmerizing melody. The picturesque place in town, come with the trail of dazzling luminosity. Let's make memory. Jump to the beat of mesmerizing melody. The picturesque place in a town, come with the trail of dazzling luminosity. Mystified by setting on no far and water harmony. No other place can make this fun much more fun. Let's meet here at Jobs Park. Our contemporary world, life shuffles so fast. We need to relax and unwind. A cup of coffee, a bottle of wine. No other place can make this fun much more fun. Let's meet here at Jobs Park. Friends, fun, family, jump to the beat of mesmerizing melody. The picturesque